This video is brought to you by AKSIAS.
The one there at the back. Yeah.
Good evening, sir. What suggestion would you give to a person who is in his last attempt and knew nothing and want to quit his job and take up this civil service examination?
See, I can give suggestion, but I don't know if this works for you. Okay. Try to customize actually.
I want everyone to answer this, please,
Fine.
if possible.
Yeah. See,
Thank you for the if.
it's like this. You have last attempt, so focus. I would say spend some good time on what are the previous year trends, how the questions have been asked. You have limited time. You have to maximize your score. So see the chapters where there's a lot of scope for getting more marks. Like if you are doing for prelims, pick out polity, pick out spectrum, history books, because these two books questions are bound to come, and there are more chances that you can answer them easily. So pick up these topics for each subject. This is for prelims, and for mains I would suggest write more, because since you are saying your last attempts, I think you should have got some decent maturity of understanding things that should reflect in your answers. Instead of reading a lot, try to write the answers, and obviously interview that your maturity gets reflected. So at the end I would say focus more on scoring. Like if you are taking an optional, try to spend more time on like 60-70% on optional, like you can score 350 there. So pick out those areas and put more effort in that.
I agree with most of what Harsha has said, except that, first forget that this is your, last attempt and raise the stakes so high that you unnecessarily get anxious just before the exam. Your mindset should be such that you give your best. Whatever you've got 1 year and you have quit your job, so you have only one job right now to prepare for the civil service. So give it your best, and what happens later बाद में देखा जाएगा, right? So that mindset is very crucial, as I said, to give your best whatever in the time that you get. And as Harsha has said, try to customize, because you cannot be running after all the resources. Try to see previous year trends and where the questions are being asked, and try to get a solid understanding of those things, and practice more for mains. Ultimately your selection depends on how well you do in your mains exam. So practice more and write good answers, and give with that never without detachment, that whether you clear or not, that comes later. Your part is only to do your best now. That mindset, once you do that, I think you can clear it definitely.
I would say that it's a risky shot. Like, I'm being practical here. You can follow whatever they have said, but it depends on you. Like whether you're married or not, what responsibilities do you have, or how support your family is, how supportive they are, or your financial background. It depends on all of those. And if you quit the job and God forbid if you don't make it to the list, just imagine those things and take the decision. You are the best judge.
This video is brought to you by AKSIAS.